Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add ChatGPT to Google search for instant answers. Okay, first things first, make sure that you are using the Google Chrome browser. Install then the web chat GPT extensions, which provides internet access to ChatGPT and other AI tools. After adding then the extension to your Chrome browser, you'll notice a new section at the bottom of the page. This section provides you with internet access to ChatGPT. WebPage GPT then offers a feature called one-click prompts, which provides predefined prompts that you can use with ChatGPT. These prompts are categorized by different uses and cases and are a quick way to interact with the AI. Perform then a Google search like you usually would. And for instance, if you search for the best marketing strategy for a small business, you'll notice that the web ChatGPT extension on the right side is assisting you with the search results. The extension then will scan through the search results and provide real-time answers to your query based on the information it finds on the web. This is especially useful when you need up-to-date information. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now add ChatGPT to Google search for instant answers. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.